Are you burdened with these questions? How do I come up with a profitable business idea? How do I launch my business on social media? How do I adopt growing and trending strategies to grow and pivot my business? If these questions have burdened your mind, then you are at the right place. Welcome to our masterclass. Here you will learn how to develop a wonderful business plan, profitable, sustainable, and can pivot your business to the next level. You can also learn how to handle your finances and how to save and grow your business. You also learn strategies, marketing, sales, and advertising. Also, you will learn how to launch your business successfully and sustainably on social media. What are you waiting for? Join this masterclass. My name is Stella Ofori, founder of Stellapreneurs, business consulting agency for late bloomers and stay-at-home moms, author of How Late is Too Late, a look into entrepreneurial success for late bloomers. This is my masterclass. You're welcome.